We are gonna be
Greyson?
playing the button in code the button, and it's gonna be awesome. We have Wes
just
here,
call me
and
Wes.
we got Greyson here.
Wes. We got Ruby.
My camera's grooving.
Alright, so we
Alright,
got
let's go.
Ruby. This might be like, don't press the button, it might.
Bop.
Gonna happen.
Oh, I want one of these. Oh, he dead.
Like a massive laugh.
Oh,
Red
for the win. How you guys enjoying so far? I'm not enjoying this so far because I haven't been able to do anything.
Alright, this one is good.
King of the hill. Ooh, I want to be on top of the hill.
You get off.
No, you get off. You get. Oh, wait, my finger. I just jammed my finger. Hey, what? You can't do that. What? Honey, I shrunk the Yeeps. Haha, so funny.
Bro,
I can't take this no more. Oh, it looks like Greyson. I really want to press this button. Oh, I want to get hit by one.
Run!
Wee!
I just got took. Bro, someone's camera is just right there.
Green!
Guys, go for green. Go for green.
Oh, prison.
I know how to get in here.
Fine.
Hello. We have daggers.
Okay, that's it.
Ah.
Hey, Wes. Hey, no, we have to stick together and kill the guard. We have to kill the guard.
Oh yeah.
Kill the guard!
Oh.
Oh, it's Spleef. Do we have to die? Greyson, take one for the team. I was about to say, we were just floating on spikes for a second.
Bro,
We were just floating on
Oh
spikes.
my god.
Ruby not creed. Yeah, that's my name. Uh-oh, there's a black hole. Oh, give me away!
Bro,
He's so
pull
bad, his
towards
gravitational
Ruby.
pull is pulling me to him. This is crazy. Your gravitational pull is too strong, Wes.
I'm trying to get out. Wait, no, I found the real black hole. It's right
You're
here.
gonna throw me. You're gonna throw
It's
me
right
to
here.
the spikes.
Button.
Maybe the real black hole was the friends we made along the way,
Guys,
guys.
what's gonna happen?
Oh.
Where are we?
I'm so good at parkour.
I beat it.
I didn't get to beat it. Just went away at my little platform. No, my
Guys, what I got for
platform!
winning?
My
What I
platform!
got for winning?
You're gonna murder me.
No, I'm not gonna murder you.
No, please don't kill me.
Worth it. Ah, thank you, Jaxer. I'm gonna be
legs.
pressing the button with my feet this time. Hello! How's it going?
Welcome back to another video.
Wingardium Leviosa! I don't want to die. So, no, wait, guys! Wait! Catch! Oh, whoa, where am I?
Flying. And I got.
I wanna go on my cloud! No, not in the spikes, please! No, not again.
Get out, rat!
Hey, Greyson, catch!
What is that?
Hey, cat!
They had to get onto the. I swear to cloud.
I'm not getting down from my cloud, bruh.
Never
No,
happened.
I'm not coming down. Never coming. No! Where am I? Among Us! Periwinkle, Periwinkle, Oh, there's no Periwinkle? Blurple.
I'm gonna grab
Wait,
a
Greyson, remember Blurple team, maybe?
Blurple.
I'm going
Okay,
yellow
what
this
is-
time. Oh, bats? What is this? Oh, it
Guys, I'm
shoots them.
trapped in a room. Yeah, you grief it all. Grief it all.
I don't think this is what we're supposed to be doing, though.
See. This last couple.
So close. Yes! Drop your blocks right now, Wes.
Num num num.
Oh, that's fine enough.
Bro,
That's
the
fine
whole
enough.
board is. No.
No!
Touchdown!